this is Diamond with WTI, and if you're looking for an L-shaped desk that holds all of your office space or your craft items, look no further. I absolutely love this desk for a lot of reasons. I feel like it looks really nice in the office. You can actually flip these, so you could put the long side on this side, so you could set this desk up. It was really easy to put together, and let me show you a few of my favorite features.
Aside of it being a really big space, I do like this little feature. It has this drawer where you can put miscellaneous things that will make your desk look a little messy. As you can see here, it is a really nice size. And I do love how it is very sturdy. I have two monitors and my laptop, and with these steel legs, I feel like it is very sturdy. I never feel like my desk is gonna break, fall, or anything like that.
A really nice add-on that this desk comes with is this really cool stand. Now you could use this stand for whatever you want. I like how it doesn't need to be screwed onto the desk. It matches perfectly. What I use it for is whenever I have video conferences, I just put my laptop on here, and you don't have to stack any books. It's the perfect height for myself, and I absolutely love how this came with the desk. So if you're looking for a sturdy desk for your office with plenty of space, I do recommend this desk. I know you will love it too, but that is just our point of view.